appreciate y'all watching. I like it. Marta Beckett. It's messed up from the last flood, apparently. Come on, Yuki. Hold on, come on, come on. It says garage. Wow, it's been a big garage. Maybe for trucks and stuff. Who knows? Now look at this. The Amargosa Cafe. Cool. Come on, Yuki. Let's go over here. So apparently you can camp here. Let's see. Okay, you just register at the front desk with a permit. Huh. I don't know how much they are. The pass permits. Because they also have porta-johns right over there. Very cool. This is near the Amargosa Junction Hotel and all that stuff. I don't know what it was, but we're just going to look at it real quick. Ooh, don't want to go in there. Sorry for some of the graffiti if it offends anybody, but I didn't have nothing to do with it. Man, it was somebody's nice house at one time. I don't know, there was a suitcase, must be paint and stuff in it. Oh, here's like a kitchen style counter, so it might have been a little cafe also. Is that Nikki Delventhal's van? Nah, hers is a different color. And hers is not a Mercedes, I don't think. Would have been cool to see her though and her dogs. Amargosa Opera House. That's pretty famous for being on the corner right there. And what is this? LK? Let's see. Let's go check it out, Yuki. Let's check it out. Come on. Has dress in here. Oh, cool. New York, Beverly Hills, Miami, L exclamation point K. Maybe I'm not up with my fashion. I don't know. I don't know how to say it. Neat though. It's like that one building in Texas that they have. The Prada one on the way down there to the south of Texas.